in phonics lessons, we're going to learn about short E combined with letter sound T, it, and E with X, X. In the next video, I'm going to explain to you about what you need to do on the worksheet that we have given you. Are you guys ready? Check the video out.
Short E, in, ig, it, x. Part A. Listen and learn. Eat, it. P, it. Pit, pit. X, x. X, six, six. Part B. Listen, point, and repeat. Number 1. Pit, pit. Number 2. Hit, hit. Number 3. Six, six. Number 4. Mix, mix. Part C. Listen and circle the one that rhymes. Number 1. 6. Mix, mix. Circle the picture that shows mix. Two. Pit, pit. Rhymes with hit, hit. Can you find a picture that shows hit? Number 3. Mix, mix. Rhymes with 6, 6. Can you find a picture that says 6? 4. Hit, hit. Rhymes with pit, pit. Find a picture that shows pit. Part D. Circle and write. Number 1. Point out to letter sound I and X, X. Which word that ends with X? It is 6, 6. Circle 6 and write the word 6. Number 2. Look at the letter sounds in the middle. It, it. Which word that ends with it? Is it hit or fin? It's hit. Hit. Circle the picture that shows hit. Write the word hit. Number 3. Letter sound I and X. X. Which words that end with X? Is it hit or mix? It's mix. Circle the picture and write the word mix. Number 4. Eat. It. Which word ends with it? Is it pit or mix? It's it. I mean pit. Circle the picture pit and write the word pit.
So that was the lessons about short I combined with the sound T and X. Remember, when you are doing your work, ask your mom or your dad to take a picture and send it to me. That was from me for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!